Hey guys, we just wanted to hop in and give you a quick video. A lot of us are carving pumpkins right now, and I like to save my seeds. So there's two things that I like to do when I carve pumpkins. I'll save the seeds from them. So if like next year I wanted to grow this type of pumpkin, I can try to germinate them, which I can plant them, I can start the seeds. So I'll take a few out of my my little pile here, some that look good and decent, and I'll just put them on a paper towel for them to dry. So I just have them on a paper towel and I'll set them over to the side. It's just like a handful and they're good to go. So once they dry, I'll put them in a little envelope and put it away for next year. So we're gonna do 3 types of pumpkin seeds. So that's the other thing you can do with these. I'm just getting away from myself. So we're gonna roast pumpkin seeds, and that's like one of our favorite snacks here during the fall, like after we carve our pumpkins. And even like the pumpkins that we have for decoration around the house, I'll take, ooh, bad seed. So look out for bad seeds too. These are slippery. We'll take the seeds out of those, save some for next year, and then roast them if I think they look good. But most of the time, they look pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna do a pizza seasoning. Just wanted my hair. We're gonna do a pizza seasoning, chili lime seasoning, and some salt. So the first one I'm gonna do is just some salt. And I just like to sprinkle it on really good. I like my pumpkin seeds salty. Salty. And then I just kind of mix them together. So I have, right now, I have the oven set to 375. And we're just gonna toss it in. So we'll just, if you'll stop it there, I'm trying to do this quick. So we're gonna let those sit for about 5 minutes and see how toasty they get. And we're gonna keep an eye on them. I like to go first for the first 5 minutes, and then, but I'm keeping an eye on them, and just in case they start getting too toasty. And I am taking a spatula and moving them around so all the sides get toasty. Okay, so once you do them for a little while, you can hear them start to sizzle. What I like to do is toss them around on the tray, and that way the sides, I'm throwing them everywhere. It's like pumpkin seed confetti. So we're gonna make sure that all of these get toasted, and like you can see where some of the liquid's still on them. So once you, trying not to get my feet in there. So once you get, these are going to require 2 hands. So now, just like that. Pew! Pew! And you're good to go. We're going to put it back in the oven and just keep watching. Okay guys, we just got the pumpkin seeds out of the oven. I had them in at 375, sorry, at 375 for about 7 minutes is what it took. I like, as while they're sitting in the oven, I move them around with that spatula. I did that about 4 times just to make sure all the sides get real good and toasty. And yeah, that's all you have to do. It's real easy, quick, simple treat that you can have in the house for a snack. And we love them. So I take them out and just put them in containers and then set them on the counter for everybody to snack on. They're really good snacks to have in the house. Like if you're just like a snacker like I am, I'll just come in here and like grab a couple and then I'm good to go. But if you have any other seasonings that you like to put on your pumpkin seeds, we'd love to know. And yeah, because we just try everything. But I hope you guys had fun hanging out with me today, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.